Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back, students. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to apply for Kuwait Government Scholarship 2026. So the application opened recently, and there are several important conditions and requirements that every applicant must understand before submitting the application. It's not like other scholarship that are happening in Indonesia or other country. This Kuwait Government Scholarship have their own certain eligibility criteria and other things. So that's why I'm making this video to explain a bit to you about the scholarship and its eligibility. So the Kuwait Government Scholarship is officially open for bachelor programs or the bachelor degree program only. So if you are looking for bachelor degree program, you can apply for this Kuwait Government Scholarship. It's available for only bachelor degree program. And also the scholarship has two options on the portal, on this application portal. I will show you what are the options. The option is it has a Kuwait University option, and then the second one is Public Authority for Applied Education and Training. That is the second option. So the second option, this one, Public Authority for Applied Education and Training, offer a wide range of program and specialization. So therefore, make sure you watch this video until then so that you don't miss any important information. So as you can see on the screen, here is the application portal. I will also share the link in the video description so that you can apply by yourself or follow along. Before we begin the application, let me remind you, this channel is dedicated for scholarship opportunities to the abroad. Update state application tutorial to help you submit your application without any stress. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will share notification to you whenever we update a video. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. We share verified scholarship opportunity, including the details, eligibility, and how to apply. The link in the video description. So the general requirement for this Kuwait Government Scholarship, I have compiled something here. General requirement, general eligibility requirement. Before you apply, make sure you meet the following requirement for this Kuwait Government Scholarship. The first thing is that minimum higher school grade of 80% for science students and 85% for art students. So you must have this grade. Then your secondary school certificate should not be more than 2 years old, which means if you graduate in at least 2023, you are not eligible for the scholarship. You must graduate in 2024-25. You must graduate on that. So what they mean, your secondary school certificate should not be more than 2 years. So then applicant for this, which I explained to you, the second option should not be more than 25 years old. So if you are choosing the second option of the program, you must be under 25 years old. While if you choose for the Kuwait University, should not be more than 35 years old, meaning if you are above 25, you can apply for the Kuwait University section, not this section. Then applicants should be able to read, write, and communicate in Arabic. Okay? Then applicant must be medically fit and free from communicable diseases, which means there are some of cases you must upload on the portal, HID and other cases, so I'll explain to you. Then female applicant must be unmarried. Then preference may be given to applicants from Muslim minority countries. Then here is the required document for the application. So before you even start the application, make sure you have all the required documents here: your academic transcript, certificate of good conduct, your passport photograph, original certificate, certificate authentication copy income to the place, then medical certificate, then your passport copy. So these are the general requirements, which is your international passport here. These are the general requirements for the application. So back to the video. Higher education scholarship application form. As you can see, higher education scholarship awarded member of scholarship in cooperation with National Kuwait National Committee for Education, Science and Culture. So the first option is Kuwait University. You can choose this option, Kuwait University. The second option is Public Authority for Applied Education and Training. This application is open for non-Kuwait citizens. No international student can apply. So let's begin the application. The first section requires your personal information. As you can see here, general information, which is the order date, is the date and submission application, then name in Arabic, your first name, your second name, your third name, and final name should be in Arabic. That's the date. So let again write the first name, you write all the name in English and Arabic. Then the second section is name in English according to the passport. So your name should match exactly how it is in your international passport. So let again write name, second name, let me see. That means it's family name means so write your date of birth here. You see, then see like then you just upload it. Then nationality, select your country. Then you select your gender. Then you select your health status. Are you healthy or special? I say healthy. Then your passport information. Put in your passport number. You see expiry date of your passport, like 2029, and you just select this. You select the country if you country of your passport. Then wait for issue of your passport. I will select the country again, and you select the country, your mobile number, your email address, and you select this. Then here they say that mobile number of the closest person equals. So uh, this section that actually for phone number of someone in Kuwait, which is this section. So if you don't know anyone in Kuwait, you just write zero in the place. Just write zero. Also relationship with the guy, just write zero. Address of the guy in Kuwait, just write name. So just write name. Relationship, write name. But however, it is better if you provide a genuine contact person that you know in Kuwait. But if you don't know anyone, you can just write name or zero. Having someone in field will definitely increase the chance of getting accepted, but if you don't have anyone, it will not affect your application. That's how the process is. So the next section is your higher skill information. As I said, the application is open for only bachelor degree program. So select your tag science, library. I will select science, my science percentage. I will select 90 percentage. School name, dynamic school. Recently, your higher school certificate must not be older than 2 years, as they say. Then you say Arabic 2025, like this. Then you select the country, Arabic. Then the column upload section. You say that previous year certificate, upload my certificate, then certificate of good conduct, which means your police report certificate or attestation later. So I will upload the certificate here. One of the most important requirements for the scholarship is document authentication. Your document should be authenticated by approved authorities such as Ministry of Education or Higher Education in your home country, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs or Kuwait Embassy in the country. So this is very important. If your documents are not authenticated, please do not submit your application because authentication is a mandatory requirement. So if obtaining like the authentication from the Kuwait Embassy or higher school, uh, Ministry of Higher Education is a country somehow very difficult. You can face visits like Ministry of Education in your state, in your local state, will guide them about the process. They can scan your document, you can upload it as optional if you don't have the Kuwait embassy authentication. So however, please remember that the document authentication remains one of the most important requirements for the scholarship. So the document must be authenticated. So then I will upload my document authentication here. This is documents loaded here. Then HID, we say that HID, which means the medical report that include all this HID test, this test, this test, this test. In case you have only medical report certificate that include all this kind of tests, so you can upload you can upload the single document in each section. So let me upload my medical report here. This is my medical report. The symptoms also. Upload my medical report. Upload it here as well. And to upload sisters. Upload the upload it. So, then your passport photo, which means your passport, your international passport. So you have to upload the international passport here. Here. Then the Waiver program, as I explained in my foundation, my explanation that the program has two options under scholarship. The first option is Kuwait University, which they offer only you can choose only to the Waiver program, while is eight the Waiver program. So let me show you like this. If you select this Kuwait University, you are allowed to choose only two program. If you select this option, you are allowed to choose over eight related programs. So as I explained, the application recently opened, so I think there are some updates there and about the student. They have not yet uploaded the program, so I think if you are applying it, you will see the program. Maybe they can start uploading the program like this, but I'm just making a video to tell you about the process. Because maybe later on they upload it as the application is started thinking. So they are still updating the photo. After selecting the desired programs, then you click on this declaration, declare this also. Then select this and make a robot. Once you are done with this, then click on register. After clicking on register, your application will be submitted successfully. So I hope this tutorial helps you understand the Kuwait Government Scholarship application process and time. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with others who might be also benefit. For scholarship update and application guidance, you can also join our WhatsApp channel and share by scholarship opportunity as explained earlier. If you want us to handle the application on your behalf, you can also assist you with finding someone contact info who can recommend you something like that. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.